Hello, my name is Greg Stoll, and I'm the Associate Director of Education and Training at ACHCU. I'm excited to tell you about our live virtual home health and hospice intensive workshops. Whether you're new to ACHC or renewing your accreditation, these workshops are designed for you. These live online workshops focus on Medicare's conditions of participation and include a review of ACHC standards and expectations for compliance that will help to lead to a successful survey. Each session is a full-day event with multiple opportunities to ask questions and receive guidance from our industry expert, Lisa Meadows. Your registration includes a pre-workshop on-demand webinar that will detail the accreditation process, including application, navigating Customer Central, and eligibility requirements for initial home health and hospice organizations. As part of your registration, you will also receive a free copy of the Accreditation Guide to Success workbook. This workbook is packed with helpful information and tools that will assist you in your survey preparation. These workshops have also been approved for 7 nursing contact hours per day, and all of this without having to leave home. To register for one or both of our live virtual workshops, just click on the link below. I hope to see you at our next home health and hospice intensive virtual workshop.